Hi, my dear children. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn about rocks and minerals. Children, we all know the land surface of the earth is made up of soil and rocks. And these are found in the hills, by the rivers, on the ground, and even under it. So, now let us study in detail about the rocks and minerals. Rocks exist in various shapes, sizes, and forms, and they are made up of substances called minerals. Rocks may contain one or more minerals. Depending on how they are formed, rocks are three types. They are igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. The first one is igneous rocks. Igneous means made from fire or heat. Deep inside the earth, it is so hot that even rocks melt. The molten rock is called magma. Sometimes it cools and hardens slowly under the earth's surface and turns into solid rocks. But sometimes the magma flows out through the weak points or cracks in the earth crust or explodes from the volcanoes. The magma that comes out into the surface of the earth is called lava. The lava cools and hardens quickly to form solid rocks. The rocks formed by the cooling of magma or lava are known as igneous rocks. When magma cools down under the Earth's surface, the cooling process is very slow because of the absence of air. That means the lava cools and hardens quickly in the presence of air on the Earth's surface. Now let us study about a few types of igneous rocks. Granite, basalt, and pumice. Granite. When magma cools slowly under the surface of the earth, it forms granite. Granite is the most common igneous rocks, and granite is made up of mainly three minerals: mica, quartz, and feldspar. Depending on the quantity of each mineral, the rock may be pink, red, grey, or black. Then, children, what is the uses of granite? We use granite in buildings, in paving roads, and to make statues. And we use highly polished granite for flooring. Then, the next one, basalt. When lava cools and hardens quickly above the surface of the earth, it forms basalt. We use crushed basalt in the construction of roads. Now, pumice. Pumice also formed when lava cools quickly on the surface of the earth. It is a light rock with many pores or tiny holes. And these holes are the spaces that formed when gases trapped inside the rock escaped during its formation. We can see many pumice rocks float on water. And the uses of pumice rocks are: dentists use powdered pumice to polish teeth, and we also use pumice as a body scrubber and to polish floors and furniture. Now the time to quick revise. Rocks are found everywhere in the Earth's surface. They exist in various shapes, sizes, and forms. They are made up of substances are called minerals. Rocks can be classified into igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rocks. Rocks such as granite, basalt, and pumice are formed by the cooling of magma or lava are known as igneous rocks. The magma that come out into the surface of the earth is called lava. The lava cools and hardens quickly to form solid rocks. Children, I hope you all enjoyed and followed today's lesson. So please stay tuned for the upcoming lessons. Thank you.